Hey gang, it's me, Mr. Joe again, and today we're going to learn another compound step called pony. The pony step is a compound step combining a leap and a ball change. If you don't know what those are, go back in my videos and look up leap and look up ball change. And all the leap is in the 7 basics. Ball change is all by itself. Learning how to do the ball changes. Ready to get after it? Let's get after it. Okay, so the first part of pony is that leap. Now remember, leap says this. I'm going to lift the 1 foot and land on it. Off the floor and land on it. That's a leap. Let's do another leap. Let's do another leap. Another leap. Leap, leap, leap. Okay. But this one, I'm going to kind of leap over an imaginary fence that's back here. I'm going to leap over that fence. Here we go. Leap. And then as it says, I'm going to do that ball change. But I'm going to do a ball change in the center. Ball change. Oh, new imaginary fence right here. Let's leap over it. Leap. Woo, we made it. Now, ball change with this foot, because this was free. Ball change. Let's try it again. Let's go to this side. Here's the fence. Leap. Ball change. Leap. Ball change. Leap. Ball change. Leap. Ball change. We don't have to do it very big, but we do have to do it with a rhythm. Leap, ball, change. Okay, or my usual rhythm pattern of apple, pear. Here we go. And leap, ball, change. Other side. Leap, ball, change. Leap, ball, change. Leap, ball, change with the rhythm. Apple, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear. Double time! Actually, it's regular time. Leap, ball, change, apple, pear, apple, pear. Well, there you have it. We have the pony step. Now, practice that one a lot. Get it faster and faster. You can even get a little head juggle with it as you're doing it. Makes it lots of fun. Get out there and have a good time practicing.